This is Tim from Firestick Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your iPhone over to your Fire TV. So you actually need to go ahead and get an application first on your Fire TV to go ahead and do this. And you can simply just hold down the Alexa button and you can just say AirPlay. It'll bring you to an app. Otherwise, you need to go to Find and just type in AirPlay right here. So let's just hold this down now. AirPlay. And then I'm just going to say this, and it's just going to go to this application that you need. This is AirPlay Screen Mirroring Cast to TV. So you can get AirScreen too. This one will work, but this one has a better rating. So we need to open this up, and then we should be good to go. Once you have it ready, it says ready on the screen, it should connect. Now another thing is you need to make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. So let's go to network and just double check this. Connected to Scump, okay. Now we can go back to this AirPlay app and just open this up, and we should be able to connect my phone now. So here's AirPlay. Now let's go on over to my iPhone SE, and then we can go out and just make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi. So here's Wi-Fi, connected to Scump, okay. Now what I want to do is scroll up or scroll down, go to the two boxes, and you can see the Apple TV is on here, or the lower, whatever my TV is called. And I should be able to connect to it now. Just tap it. And I should be screen mirroring my phone now over to my Fire TV. Just like that. And we can stop at any point in time. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.